Perched gracefully on a sun-kissed hillside overlooking glistening blue waters, the vibrant pink cottage appears like a dream plucked from a Mediterranean postcard. Its bold, rosy hue glows warmly in the daylight, a cheerful and romantic contrast against the serene blues of the water below and the lush greens of the surrounding landscape. The cottage's walls are alive with color and texture as vivid pink bougainvillea climbs freely across the facade. The blooms cascade like floral waterfalls, softening the structure with nature's touch and creating a feeling of enchantment. Their petals flutter gently in the breeze, brushing against arched windows framed in white, which peek out from behind the greenery like bright eyes full of charm. These windows, with their soft curves and delicate frames, echo the cottage's whimsical energy, each one reflecting a piece of sky, sea, or vine. The arched wooden door, set deep within a cozy stone frame, invites you inward with storybook charm. Weathered just slightly by salt air and time, the wood bears the marks of gentle age and adds depth to the cheerful palette. Leading to the entrance is a stone pathway made of irregular, hand-laid stones, winding through clusters of tropical greenery and blooming flowers. Ferns, palms, and flowering shrubs frame the walkway in every shade of green, offering dappled shade and the rustling music of leaves in the breeze. With every step along the path, the cottage seems to beckon closer, its joyful energy pulsing like a heartbeat. From its hillside perch, the cottage offers breathtaking views of the sparkling water below. Whether bathed in morning light or glowing under a golden sunset, it's the kind of home that feels like a permanent vacation, vibrant, cozy, and deeply in tune with its tropical surroundings. A retreat for the soul and a delight for the senses.